My friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well. In a voice memo from years ago, we were laughing about some nonsense. Oh, how I miss those.
And yan ang bagong driver ni ating badly discardio.
Circumstances made it so that I'll never see their faces. Except for on the internet, where I'll never really know what's going on behind their smile.
Just light out.
I mean, I guess I could check in once in a while. But those friends are growing up, and there's no time for us to pretend we'd stay in touch. 'Cause everybody knows it will never be the same. We move on and people change.
Ito guys, dito yung park. So nice and may event lang. Pero sa club, ang lamig. Queen's Museum. Ayan. Dito mayroong mga stadium or sports arena, something like that. Good morning guys! So today, dito tayo sa park, sa Meadows Park. And pupunta na din ako ng airport kasi pupunta ako ng Ohio. And doon ako mag-stay. Mag-travel ako mag-isa ngayon. So, let's see kung makaka-vlog ako sa airport kasi mag-isa lang ako. Ito yung mga bagahe ko. So, ayan. Ihatid ako ni Kuya Lyndon. Ay, si Kuya Lyndon.
7,000 feet above it all. Yeah. I'm unavailable.
Pando. So, ayun guys, traveling alone. Ang hirap kasi ang dami kong bitbit. So, ayun. After ko na lang mag-check ng bag. And I'm done na mag-check. And so, punta na ako sa gate ko. Yan yung airport dito. It's already 10:02 and di pa ako nagbe-breakfast. So, bibili na siguro ako ng food dito, then I'll eat na. Ayan. Order na ako guys ng food. So, ang ganda ng view dito guys. Di ko alam kung nakikita nyo, but I'll show it to you guys kung ano yung view. So, this is what I got. Sausage and egg. Matawag sa inyo guys yung view. Ayun guys, kita dito yung Manhattan. I'm here na guys sa Ohio and kukunin ko na lang yung baggage and antayin ko na lang dumating yung sundo ko. Medyo malilate sila ng sundo sa akin kasi yung mag-drive is galing pa sa work. So, ayun. Vlog Tita Gina. Tita Gina is here. Tita Mike. So ito guys, yung nadaanan namin market. So ito Ohio is like more on the countryside. Makikita nyo guys yung mga house and mga farm yung likod. So guys, mag-prepare ako ng Chipotle. It's my first time. Chipotle. Let's try it later. We're here, guys! Ito yung area dito. Where's a dang? Ayun guys, dito kami kakain sa Ponderosa Steakhouse. Ayan. So guys, ito yung kasama sa steak. Ayan, buffet. Guys, so hindi na ako nakapag-update last night kasi gaya, tulog na ako. So ayun, nagpe-prepare lang ako ng breakfast namin.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Brunch na to, guys. Hindi po talaga ako. Isang side lang.
Kaya hindi maganda kasi.
This is our breakfast, guys. And let's eat.
Egg and steak ang breakfast.
So guys, it's October 22 and lilibat kami ngayon nila ating bibisitahin namin yung friend niya sa Columbus. And ayan, papakita ko sa inyo guys yung neighborhood ni ating. Pero napakadami niya guys na tanim na plants kasi gusto niya yung mga flowers, yung makukulay. Kaya lang, since magwe-winter na, ayan, medyo nalalagas na. And super sunny ngayon, so masarap magtipot. Pero paggabi, nanginginig na ako. Since nagumagayak pa sila ating, ako ayan, itutour ko muna kayo guys dito. And sobrang tahimik na neighborhood. So, ayan, daming tanim ni ating na flowers. So, kahit pa paano may naabutan pa ako mga nakatanim na flowers. Pero yung iba dry na kasi malamig na yung panahon. And guys, tanim ni ating na vegetables dito sa gilid. And malapit na din ma-dry since ito, meron pa. Ayun, may mga tomatoes, guys. Nakikita nyo ba? So, ito, guys. Sobrang fresh ko naman dito. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung backyard area dito. So, ayun, super refreshing. Yan. Ano to, guys? Golf course. And then, may pond sa gitna. Ito na yung likod ng bahay. Ayan. So, ang sarap tumambay. Ang relaxing dito. Ayun guys, may nag-golf. Ayun. And guys, makikita nyo kung kanino ako nagmana ng kakitayan. Ayun guys, magdidilig tayo ng plants.
Alexa's dreaming now, drifting off my couch. We walked down street, she's walked 1,000 times.
Pick up tayo ng mail. Hi, good afternoon. I would like to pick up my mail.
Oh, Josephine is your grandmother.
Yes.
Oh, because I know them both. And you tell her she's happy I got her mail.
Okay.
You okay? And you're beautiful, by
Thank
the
you
way.
so
I'll get that.
much. Thank you so
Have a wonderful
much.
day. Are they okay? Are they okay?
Yes,
Oh, good.
they're in the car.
Oh, well, someone said, wow, Donna.
Singing every
Bisitahin nila
but when I finally got through blurry.
Today guys is October 24 and lilibot kami. Pupunta po kayo ng school.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other.
So we are here, guys. Medyo sinisipon ako.
To the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay.
Tita Tourist is here. Good morning, guys! So today is grocery day and medyo mainit ngayon dito sa Ohio. So medyo manipis yung suot ko and warm up na natin yung sakyan kasi 1 week lang hindi nagamit. So yun.
Makita ka? Oh, ayan. Ayan, nagda-drive si Reggie. Hindi ako marunong mag-video.
And windy. Nautusin ulit tayo mag-nila ng boat. Hi! Can you choose here? Yeah, that's right. Is it a date? Yeah. Ito kami, guys, sa Rockport Lake.
Mabuti ang isa ka buwang, isa meron.
With an open mind, I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo. It's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I.
So, ayun, dito na kami mag-early dinner again sa Panderosa Steakhouse.
Could breathe in space, in space. Some may never come. Road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin. Smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere. Endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind.
And yan ang bagong driver ni ating. Oh.
From the Philippines.
Oh, ayan ang ginagawa nito ni ating.
Tubig lang daw po ang bibili.
Ang bibili namin tubig lang tsaka gatas. Pero ito, nakadalawang cart. Today lang matutuloy yung plan ko na mag-jogging.
7,000 feet above it all, I'm unavailable.
Hi guys! So natuloy na yung jogging ko. And for 1 week, wala akong cardio. Kasi everyday sa bahay nakakapag-cardio ako. Like 30 minutes run. So ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapag-jog. And kung makikita nyo guys, yung mga trees dito, ayan. So, namawala na sila ng mga leaves. So, kailangan ko lang mag-take ng pictures for fall. Kasi, for like, about few days, mawawala na yan ng leaves. Kagaya na tong trees na to. Ayan o, wala na sila. Super ganda ngayon ng weather. That's why, nag-jog na ako. badly need this cardio. Kasi guys, malamig na dito. So, I feel like yung face ko nagiging puffy na. So, di na ako nakakapag-workout. That's why, ayun, talagang nag-jog na ako. I make sure that makapag-exercise today. Late night errand.
Kaka-grocery lang po ni ating kagabi, pero eto na naman kami. Mabilis lang daw po. Kumanood tayo ng movie.
Na-prank tayo ni ating guys, oh. Ano lang din bibilin? Anasin.
Dami na nag-trick or treat kaya mag-grocery tayo.
Dinner for tonight. Ayan, libre po kami dito sa China buffet kasi friendly la ating may-ari. Good morning guys! So today is November 1 and pupunta kami sa house ng friend nila Ateng and doon kami mag-dadasal. So, dito kami kila Tita Gina mag-pray.
My friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of
Hi!
some nonsense. Oh, how I miss those friends. Circumstances made it so that I'll never see their faces.
Ayun na guys, pupunta yan sa university. Let's go! Oh. Girls night out.
I guess I could check in.
Yes po, girls night out. Vlog! Vlog! Girls night out po, girls night out.
And I won't tell the reason why I'll never get to see them, but clearly they don't need to know. Still on my phone, I'll look back at the.
Good morning guys! So today, lalabas ulit kami nila Ateng. So iniintay na lang po namin si Tita Teresa na magdadrive sa amin ulit. And Tita Teresa is here!
Outfit check guys! Twinning kami ni Ateng ng leather jacket. Yes! Let's go!
Kailangan mag-jogging ka. Pag hindi.
Lumalaki na nga po yung face ko, nagiging puffy na. Tapos sila Ateng po, pilit pa rin po lang, pilit pakainin ako. Good morning guys! So today is November 12 and maniningin lang kami sa mga outlet or mag-shop. So yun lang. We are going out!
Alexa's dreaming now, drifting off my couch. We walk down streets
Lamig na guys!
1,000 times.
Mag-premiere mo!
Nagpa-vlog siya.
Under palm tree lights for the first time. I came alive when summer died.
Quick grocery with the thing again. Lamig na.
I shook off every warning. Sometimes you gotta know when to say goodbye. It didn't hurt at first, singing every word, but when I finally cut through blurry lines, I was horrified.
Tita Teresa sa outlet. Andito na kami guys sa Cincinnati Premium Outlets ni Tita Teresa, and ang sarap ng punta namin kasi sobrang lamig na hangin. Woo!
7,000 feet above it all, I'm unavailable. Blue skies.
Mapapabili kami guys ng pang-winter dito. Kahit hindi pang-winter. Puro pang-winter na.
Return to sender on my messages. I don't wanna go home. Get me up in the sky. I've been cut and won't let you down. Get me up in the sky. I've been cut and won't let you down. Just keep taking us round and round, round and round, round, round.
Mangarap ako dyan sa ano. Dahil na kami mag-shopping dito sa Cincinnati. Haba. Ang tagal namin nag-iikot. Ay, ay, ay. Ayan, ayan.
Taking us round and round, round and round, round.
So guys, we are here in the Greentown
Wish I
Center.
could fix or change how we operate. I want to let
Dito kami guys sa Nordstrom Rack. Say hi mami sa vlog.
Hi.
Ayan ang shopping. Kahit guys, ako lang yung nag-travel, eto yung kasama kong maggastos. Hey guys, so I'm already home and hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo. These are the things that I got, and most of these items is for my family. Wala pang masyado na pamili. Some penguin. Adidas. Got 2 shirts. And so blue, maroon, and red. So, a little update. Nag-extend ako dito sa US kasi my lola wants me to stay longer, and feeling ko kaya naman ang schedule ko, kaya why not? And ayun, hoping na kayanin ko pag uwi ko yung mga habulin kong duties. And ayun, madami pa kayong abangan na vlogs. So ayun lang naman guys. I just want to let you know na may abangan pa kayo dito sa US vlog ko. And ayun, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!
'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love.